for Group 9, and we will discuss about Virgin Atlantic's omni-channel strategy for customer services. So Virgin Atlantic airline company in 1984 continuously focused on making the customer experience its top priority. The brand has implemented an omni-channel strategy throughout merger and acquisition throughout the value chain of its operations, from payment, ticket receiving process, and all the way to booking hotels and activities for a fantastic traveling experience. The article we chose today is about its omni-channel integration to customer services, and currently Virgin operates in multi-channels for its quality management system, and retrieving data as well as giving feedback to its agents has been time-consuming operations. Therefore, by implementing the Genesys Cloud CX, they hope to merge these data to achieve a seamless flow of data configuration to maximize customer service experience at a fast pace.
Thank you, Philip. And basically, the point is, where does the importance lie, right? And it's given by the fact that Virgin wants to take the first step towards a seamless experience that is going to unify the data into one platform and overcome the existing challenges. First, you have a different set of technologies for different communication channels, right? Which basically don't allow to be for context to be shared between each other. Second, you have a lack of integration between these channels with no lack of real-time data sharing. Second, there's manual interaction between agents and customers, which in the end leads to lower customer satisfaction and lower service. And there's a usage of multiple tools in order to get for an effective product for the customers. This leads to higher costs and higher inefficiencies. In order to overcome all of these existing challenges, Virgin has proposed a solution that is going to unify into one single platform that is going to feed into all channels, one that is going to be fully integrated, automatic, and which will only require one training for each agent, maximizing efficiency.
Great. So moving on to the benefits of this new partnership. We see a couple factors working together to lead to an improved customer experience. The first factor is that we're able to strengthen our customer understanding. So the move to an omni system gives Virgin a better understanding of how customers are behaving and how they want to interact with Virgin, leading to a more positive customer relationship. The second is increased efficiency. Agents can manage every customer contact from one desktop, increasing ease of use. And automation of pre-departure messages gives time back to employees so they can focus on responding to customer issues. Finally, the partnership motivates customer service agents. Customer service agents can get real-time feedback from their supervisors and see their KPIs within one dashboard. This gives them a continuous feedback loop for improvement. Ultimately, these improvements are going to lead to a better customer experience and happier customer overall.
It's the very early stage for Virgin to implement Genesys. There are 3 next-step challenges and 1 race for Virgin to solve. Firstly, to roll out the private social message, Virgin needs to build better parameters, gather necessary resources, as well as to integrate Amelia, the chatbot the Virgin already used, into Genesys. The second challenge is Virgin needs to figure out how to use Genesys to put customers on different priority levels, so that the bot will be able to recognize, for example, if a customer is a Gold member, and then prioritize an agent to speak to that customer first. In addition, Virgin should add more capability around workforce management and customer journey to help integrate communications across its different departments. The risk of using Genesys is that it puts more stress on people's cognitive load. As Genesys takes most of the easy questions away from the contact center, its agents need to handle and solve more complex problems all day. Therefore, it's very important to develop how Genesys can assist the agents as well.
Great. And then finally, to zoom out and focus on the broader implications for the airline industry and other industries, what we can take away from the rapid improvements that Virgin Atlantic has been able to make over the last years is that even in a highly complex customer service environment with tons of different touch points across different channels, it is to deliver a personalized experience. this will most immediately have impacts on the airline industry, where the bar has been raised. Consumers will increasingly expect this level of service from other airlines, and those other airlines will be forced to make improvements in the way they serve their customers. Outside of just the airline industry, companies across industries will have to increase their investment in employee training, because as Sky referenced previously, having omnichannel enabling technology is not enough. Stakeholders across the entire firm need to know how to use it both efficiently and effectively. But if this goes well, what that means is that the improved efficiency of customer service operations will alleviate bandwidth across the firm, which will help companies put more resources behind other growth initiatives.